So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-logout ng account sa ating PayMaya or Maya. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating PayMaya or yung Maya app. So ilagin lang natin dito guys yung ating account. So, pagka-open guys ng ating Maya, kung gusto nyong i-log out yung account niyo dito or gusto nyong mag-login ng ibang account, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-tap nyo yung inyong profile name or yung inyong username nandito sa upper left corner. And then dito guys, sa pinakang settings ng inyong Maya app, i-scroll up lang natin. And dito guys, sa pinakang dulo, may makikita na kayo na logout dyan. So, itatap lang natin yung logout. And automatic guys, naka-logout na yung account natin dito sa PayMaya or Maya. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-logout ng account sa PayMaya. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.